into your life and you're like, I'm trying to make bad decisions. Why are you doing this to me? That.
Hello. What up? Really? Where? No way.